Hey everybody, Novelty back at you again. Today I'm doing a basic thing, but a lot of people fuck it up. Grilled cheese. So I'll show you what I do. First of all, get some good bread. Get some bread like, don't just get like butternut bread or something like that. Get like something that's from the bakery that was fresh, you know? I mean, the butternut bread is actually not bad, but like, if you're trying to like step up your game a little bit. Second of all, make sure you get good butter. This is what I use. And make sure that you set out a stick so that it gets soft enough so you can spread it onto the bread. That's the worst feeling ever when you're trying to make grilled cheese and your butter is still cold. And then I usually wouldn't use this, so I'm kind of contradicting myself right now, but like, I'm using Kraft Singles right now because that's what I have. But usually I would go to the deli and get like something better than that. Get yourself a nice American or cheddar cheese. Provolone is really good. Pepper jack. You know, spend a little bit more on cheese. I'm in Wisconsin, so I have a lot more access to local cheeses and stuff like that, but I'm using Kraft Singles right now, so yeah, if you want to use butternut bread and Kraft Singles, go for it. If you like that. Some people like the simple shit, but I'm talking if you want to step up your game a little bit. So anyways, butter both sides, and then make sure your pan is already heated up. For these, I like to break them up a little bit. I'm just making a small one right now. Usually I'd make them bigger and then I'd use 2 slices. But I just had some soup and I'm not really that hungry. I'm just kind of craving a grilled cheese. I was gonna make a small one. What you also can do, what I usually do, is throw a little bit of cayenne on top of the cheese. It'll give it a little kick, not too much. And then we're gonna throw this on the frying pan. Get yourself a nice spatula. This is perfect for grilled cheeses because it's like, you know, it's pretty fat. It's got that bread shape to it. You don't want to fry one side too long. These usually cook pretty quickly. You want it to just be, you know, golden brown on each side and have the cheese, once it starts melting in the middle, you'll know it's done. Let's check this here. You only want it to be a little bit on each side. To me, that's perfect. That's what I was going for. And then literally like within a minute, the other side will be done. You want to just have your pan on medium heat, and you only need to fry each side for around a minute, because otherwise it's going to burn. But you need to fry it long enough so that the cheese melts and it gets the right color. So then usually what I do is I will just let it rest for a little bit, let the cheese melt, and then I will cut it in half and enjoy it with tomato soup, ideally. I don't have any right now, but if you dip grilled cheese, if you make a shitload of grilled cheeses and then you make some tomato soup and dip the grilled cheese in there, oh, that's the way to go. I'll report back and let you know how it is. All right, so here's the final product. Look at that, perfect. Simple but good. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm gonna be back with more videos in the future, so stay tuned. Please, I would appreciate subscribing, give it a thumbs up, and tell your friends. It's Novelty. Peace.